Wee woo!
Vanlife!
We're going to Bowen!
Yeah!
Wee woo!
Vanlife!
So we're looking for a fridge, and somebody on Bowen Island has a fridge that might be exactly what we want. It's a $50 ferry ride, but it's reverse fare included, so it's the only place worth taking a ferry to for this that I can determine. So we're doing it, and we're having a little trip of it as well, because why the hell not?
I've never been to Bowen, so this will be a nice little 2-day trip for us. We're going to be staying in the truck tonight as well, and do a little bit of exploring on Bowen tomorrow. So we'll get some footage of that and hope you guys will enjoy it. We also got a pigeon hitching a ride on the ferry to the Bowen Island for greener pastures. So we're in Bowen. This is where we stayed last night, which is just at the start of a park and trail. I'm gonna go take a look. It's only 200 meters to the viewpoint. So I'll go there, take some photos for you guys to see. We just got up and she's just getting ready. Ooh. So I was like, oh, it's only 200 meters. I'll just jog up to the viewpoint. But I'm nowhere near as fit as I used to be. So I'm not even halfway, and I'm already puffed. Cool, so here we are. I actually just ended the video just before the corner. I was actually right here. Wee woo.
I think my phone did.
Wee woo.
Vanlife.
What happened?
I don't know, it's
Yeah,
blue.
it's blue. From the people that were buying the fridge, we got recommended to check out Artisan Square. And Artisan Eateries apparently is the best place for breakfast. Yeah, it's really nice. It's right on the cliff.
It's so artsy.
Yeah, it is.
I feel so hipsterish, it's great.
And we're nice and early, so there's like no one else around.
A photo of me consuming.
There's a video.
It's really good.
So the seller wanted $400 for the fridge, which was a bit high for what it was. It was a pretty old fridge, but there weren't many three-way fridges on the market, and many were sold out in stores. So Garen and I walked down to the beach to talk it out and just think it through. Do it.
Woo. Oh, he's albino. Little guy. They're so cute.
There it is.
He's like, nope, I don't want any of this. Hey there. I mean, if I can grab him, I will. Oh, he's gonna let me grab him? Yes!
Kirby says hi. It's the crabs.
Okay, yeah, he can't quite reach me. But if he could, he would.
Don't let go. Whoa, whoa.
He's okay.
We will.
Bye.
So we got the fridge, and then now we're just exploring Bowen Island a little bit before we head back to the main island. And what a beautiful, beautiful view. right here. Don't know what these are, but they're everywhere. Oh, they can jump too. No. Shrimp don't come out of the water. Bit of a big gap that I have to cross here to get to the lighthouse. So put my phone down and should be able to make that with either a drop or cross that up there. Made it to the lighthouse. It's pretty high up here. Not too keen on falling down. There's my nerd over there, sitting on her log. Sorry, but it's a bit windy out here, but it's absolutely beautiful. Definitely worth the little climb. There's only like one little dodgy bit right at the end, just before I made the last video, but other than that, it was quite a steep back. Look how fat these ones are. Must be why that pigeon we saw wanted to come to Bowen. There's the ferry coming. It's a little bit while away, like half an hour until it leaves our side. So we're back on the ferry now, about to take off. Last night we actually slept right above there, and we could actually hear the ferries coming in and out. So we're almost back on Vancouver, and you can see the new and old highways. The top one is the new Sea to Sky, which the city built when they had the Winter Olympics. It goes from Vancouver to Whistler, and you can see that going up and above the hills, whereas the old one went around more on the shore. So the main reason why we went to Bowen was to pick up this Dometic 3-way fridge freezer. It's a little, oh hang on, it's locked. It's a little old, but fridge freezers are not cheap, especially 3-way ones. And we managed to find this guy for $380. And we also got a three burner propane stove. It's currently upside down, so I'm not going to show it. And we got this fume hood that we got for free as well. This could potentially go on top of the stove if we have room to put it in, but it's not a priority. It was just something that was an add-on. It was nice to have. And for the fridge, we also got these two massive propane tanks for free. One's completely full, that one's quarter full, and this one's completely full. And we're just selling them off Craigslist just to get a little bit of money back. Hey guys, sorry about the lack of uploads. I've just been really busy with the ambulance, trying to get as much done. When I'm on days that I'm recording, I get a lot less done. The other reason is I'm trying to change the way I do the YouTube videos. Like, instead of doing like a day-to-day diary sort of blogging, I want to make videos that have a bit more direction, like say like I'm doing a video on insulation, or I'm doing a video on solar panels or electrical system. So I've just been rethinking, so that's why I haven't been uploading as much. But I still hope you guys have enjoyed the video, and thanks for watching.